Welcome, this is Alfred. Today we are taking you through the journey of our service delivery at Obereit Cleaning Services, and feel free to get in touch with us on anything that may require our attention. So today we are taking you through the journey of our start, how we started, and how far God has enabled us to reach wherever we have reached with Obereit Cleaning Services. So our journey started back in the year 2011, just immediately after completion of college. As a man, you have to look for something to do, and cleaning services was my first job secure in Nairobi. And with the time, I developed an interest of being able to employ myself after working for some years at my first company that was called Kemsaf Cleaning Services. That's where I got my first employment right after college. That's the foundation of the cleaning services that we are currently offering. We've come a long way as far as cleaning services is concerned, and so after working for so many years, like 5 years from 2012 to 2017, I decided to leave the company and start offering my own cleaning services. For I had already developed an interest to venture into the cleaning industry. That's how Obereit Cleaning Services came into existence. So after registering Obereit Cleaning Services, we have been able to offer various services in Nairobi and some other parts of the country. Some of the services that we do provide include sofa cleaning services. We do offer post-construction cleaning services, car detailing services, mattress cleaning, glass window cleaning services. That's high-end windows and regular windows. We do offer also fumigation and pest control, move in and move out cleaning services, and after events cleaning services. So as Obereit Cleaning Services and the mind behind Obereit Cleaning Services, we have been able to achieve a lot as a company. We've gotten some of our clients from just a single referral to the next, and that's how the chain has come to grow. The first machinery that we were able to buy, it opened up a channel of more clients. That's how we came into securing more clients that have been able to sustain us in this market as we continue venturing into more client base. Who are our clients, you may be asking out there? Our clients are homeowners like you, may have something that need to be cleaned, like sofas. They do get dirty. We do have you have a house that may be shifting to, or it's a new house after it has been constructed. We need to do what we call post-construction cleaning to give it a clear or a good look for it to be habitable. So that's where we come in as professional cleaning service providers. That is, clients are all over. You are a client, I'm a client. In one way or the other, I may be offering this service, you are offering this service, so it's a matter of having channels from one client to the other. Securing these clients has been able to open up our minds and has enabled us to walk and traverse our country in various parts of the country, and we've learned a lot. As Oberets Cleaning Services, we've been able to traverse the country as a result of offering quality cleaning services to our clients all over Kenya. Experience over the years also has been a contributing factor in our service delivery. We've worked before and now we are working for ourselves. We were employed where we got the experience that has enabled us or served as a stepping stone for us to another level, whereby we decided to come up with our own company, that is Oberets Cleaning Services, that we are running now. So is a client out there and you need a service that I've highlighted above, you can get in touch with us and we'll be in a position to offer you the best service ever. Another thing is that what I can advise as an individual or as Alfred is always believe in your dreams. Follow the inner you in whatever that you want to do. Follow the inner being in you. Don't follow the mass. Always do what your heart desires. As to myself, I like doing cleaning in person. So venturing into the cleaning services hasn't been an hurdle to me, because that's what I like. As an individual, I like to offer cleaning services. So venturing into the cleaning industry isn't a hurdle. That's what I like. Satisfaction is so great. As a human being, whatever you offer as a person, offer it to the best of your level. Offer it your best. For offering this service, you will get a referral from that particular client to the next client. And that's how we've been able to grow as Oberets Cleaning Services, from one client to the other, referral after referral. That's how people do grow as companies, as human beings. Always grow by offering the best quality service if you are a service provider. And also you must have a mentor with you. I myself, I do have my mentors, and whatever they step with them. follow the instructions very carefully. In any field, you must be having a godfather who will guide you in the best way possible. To Oberate Cleaning Services, we give credit to our mentors, and we do always learn from them because they are our fathers in this industry. So always learn. Be open to learn and be there to learn smart. Don't outdo your master. The 48 laws of power says don't outdo your master. So don't try to be smarter than your master. So out there, and you have something in mind that you can do, kindly trust your instincts. Trust the inner being in you and execute that particular thing that is in you. Either service provision or product. For today's, there are no jobs. You can say you're waiting to be employed. Out there, guys have got papers, they're rotting in their briefcases, but you have got this one. The inner person in you is telling you, do this. Follow that inner person in you. Offer service, offer quality. Follow a mentor that will give you direction of what you're supposed to do as a newbie in any field. So, continuing with our journey as Oberate Cleaning Services, we do always strive to give the best. Out there, and you are searching for the best cleaning service providers, we are here to offer you the best. In summary, I can take you through what we do offer as Oberate Cleaning Services. And before that, you can follow our Facebook pages, this page, and if you haven't liked our page, kindly give our page a like, and you'll be getting consequent content as we do upload it. I wanted to say we do have mentors. Follow your mentor. Follow your inner being to provide or to open the way for you in doing what you want to do in life. Don't follow the mass. Don't follow the group, but follow the inner being in you. I wanted to give a summary of what that we do offer as cleaning service industry. We offer post-construction cleaning services. You have a house and you need it cleaned, you can kindly get in touch with us. We offer quality cleaning services, high tech, with the high tech machineries that we do have that makes the work easier for us to execute. And with the experience that we have, we guarantee you 100% or maximum service delivery to your place. Also, we offer sofa cleaning services. As you continue using your sofas, they do get dirty, or if you have kids, there are spillages over there. Some kids like a particular seat while having their meals, so with the time that a seat gets dirty. So the remedy for such a thing is called service providers in the cleaning industry to have that seat cleaned. You can call us Oberate Cleaning Services and we will come and clean that seat perfect, and that seat will be okay as new. Our contacts are at our page, Oberate Cleaning Services. You'll get our contacts there, and below the video I will sum up by giving a contact at Oberate Cleaning Services where you will be able to save it. I said we also offer fumigation and pest control services, carpet cleaning services, car detailing services, where we offer professional interiors car cleaning services that leaves your car interiors clean and new. It's a day service. We do a car per day, or if you have many cars, we do organize ourselves and send our team on site to come at your place. Our operations are mobile, note that one. So we come to your place and execute the service at your place. No need to look for us. We come, or we bring ourselves to your place. Also, we offer fumigation and pest control. That's against the bed bugs, cockroaches, white ants, mice, termites, rodents, and bats. Such animals are a nuisance to our environment, and that's why we decided to offer fumigation and pest control services that will eradicate such unwanted animals. Sorry for that interruption. So, as Oberets Clean Services, we will always be there to provide you the best clean service ever out there, and you need any of the services that you've highlighted, kindly get in touch with us and we will offer you the best cleaning service ever. Alfred is my name, the mind behind Oberets Clean Services, and here are our contacts: 07 1451 76 51. Kindly get in touch with us, and it's our happiness to serve you as our client. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything that you've done unto us, and thank you to our clients out there, and we will continue serving you to the best way possible. Thank you very much. Enjoy your time wherever you are, and have a blessed times wherever you are with your family. Thank you very much. May you be blessed as we continue serving you. Be blessed.